Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. I am Lahari and video for today is hair care routine part 2. And if you haven't watched the hair care routine part 1, I'll be linking it in the description box. Don't forget to watch the video till the end because I'll be telling really interesting tips and about the next two steps, that is masking and conditioning. So do watch the video till the end. It's gonna be a little bit longer but it will be worth seeing. So in this video, I'm gonna be telling about the next two steps, that is masking and conditioning. Before starting this video, I would like to tell you guys few tips. First tip is that before you do any kind of masking or oiling your hair or even going for a hair wash, don't forget to detangle your hair. It's really important to comb your hair, that is detangle your hair. And the second tip is that before you are applying a mask, in particular like it can be any kind of mask or onion, rice water or an egg, any mask, you have to make sure that your scalp is really clean. That means that you should not have any oil on your hair. So going with our second step, that is masking. In the masking, I use two basic masks, that is onion mask and rice water mask. So let us know how the onion mask and rice water mask is prepared and how to apply it. Take a medium sized onion depending upon your hair length. Chop them and make an onion paste. Extract the onion juice from the paste and your onion juice is ready. Now dilute the onion juice with some water before applying. Apply it with the help of a cotton pad. You can apply it by dividing your hair into sections. While I'm applying this mask, let me tell you guys benefits of onion. Onion helps against premature graying. They are high in sulfur content, which helps in adding volume to your hair. It also lends a healthy shine and works against dandruff. So I personally don't have any issues with dandruff. People who have dandruff, do give it a try and tell me in the comment section below whether it worked for you or not. And also concentrate on the areas where you need hair growth. Keep it for 45 minutes and wash it off with shampoo. For preparation of rice water mask, take 2 spoons of rice and wash them well. Now take an empty container and add 2 spoons of rice. Take rice according to your hair length. For medium length hair, 2 spoons of rice is enough. For 2 cups of rice, add 2 cups of water. Let me tell you guys, it does not smell great, so you can squeeze some lemon juice. Give it a really nice mix and make sure that you seal it well. Store it for 24 hours and make sure you don't move the container for 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain off the rice water and your rice water is ready. This one is basically called fermented rice water. You can store it and refrigerate it for 5 days. Before you apply mask, don't forget to dilute it with some water. Apply it the same way that you did for onion mask. Now let me tell you guys benefits of rice water. Helps make your hair smoother, shinier and stronger. It's rich in vitamin E, B, amino acids and minerals. Helps in growing your hair long and repairs damaged hair. Both the masks are really good and really easy to make. You can choose which one you want. You can apply onion mask for 1 week and choose the rice water mask for another week, like switch between both the masks. What I did for masking is I completely used onion mask for 1 month, and next month I used rice water one, and I saw the results, and I think rice water one, the mask worked really well on my hair. Like there was quick results, and you can try like that and see which one like suited for your hair, which one worked well for your hair, and go for that. That was about the second step. Now going with the third step, that is conditioning. For conditioning, I don't use any other product or have never used any other product before. For conditioning, I'm gonna use the rice water only. Yes, you heard it right. Rice water also works as a conditioner, like great conditioner. For conditioner also, you have to dilute the rice water with some water and then apply it as a conditioner. So once you have prepared the conditioner, all you have to do is you have to wash your hair really well, and then you have to pour it on your hair and keep it for 5 minutes and give a good massage and wash it off with water. That's it. You don't have to again put the shampoo and all that. So as you guys saw, the 3 steps, and these are really easy. All these steps are tried by me. These are all by my personal experience, and I've really saw a lot of change. Then only I'm telling you guys to try. These are the 3 steps in my hair care routine. Before ending this video, I would like to tell you guys the schedule, like how I use these products in a week. Starting with Saturday. On Saturday, I used to oil my hair and keep it overnight. And then on Sunday, I used to wash my hair and condition my hair with rice water. This Sunday, I used to give 2 days of gap, that is Monday and Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I used to do the masking. You can either choose between rice water and the onion mask. I will suggest you guys to not overwash your hair, not more than twice a week. So this is it for today's video, guys. This is all about my hair care routine. I hope you guys will try it and see the results. Don't forget that consistency is the only key. You have to be consistent with that, then only you will see the results. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that every time we upload a new video, you will be notified. And if you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. We really need your support. And also follow us on Instagram. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.